Welcome to Aakanksha Desire for Wellness. Today we have young budding chef Sahib with us. So chef, what are you going to teach us today?
Today I'll be teaching you how to make healthy applesauce cookies.
Applesauce cookies. So how your applesauce cookies are different from the other cookies?
These cookies are going to be vegan, they're going to be gluten free and will be somewhat sugar free.
Wow, amazing. So chef, what are the ingredients required for this recipe?
For this recipe you will need 2 cups of rolled oats, half a cup of dried apricots, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, 1 tablespoon of khadi sakar or rock sugar, 1 whole apple, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 3 bananas. First we'll prepare the apple sauce. To make this we require 1 apple, 1 tablespoon of rock sugar or khadi sakar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. We are going to peel and chop the apples and we are going to put it in the mixer and add 1 tablespoon of rock sugar and cinnamon powder and grind it to a thick paste. I have added the chopped apples, cinnamon powder and rock sugar and now we are going to turn it into a fine paste. Our apple sauce is now ready, no need to add water to it. First let's peel the bananas and we'll mash them.
The bananas has to be ripe, right?
Yes,
Okay.
so we get the sweetness.
Okay. So we can take any banana, that small elaichi banana also can be
Even
taken?
that's fine until it's ripe.
Okay.
So I'm going to mash them using a whisk.
So now you're going to add the other ingredients to it.
Yeah. Our dough is now ready. This should be the consistency. Now we're going to shape them into cookies and place them on the baking tray. I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. We'll be baking it for 20 minutes at the same temperature. Our applesauce cookies are now ready and we'll let them cool for 5 minutes. Our healthy, vegan, gluten-free, sugar-free and fatless cookies are ready.
Wow! Can I taste?
Yeah.
Yummy! Let's make our lives healthier and happier.